Good morning, students. Now, once again, we were going to the First World War video second. Here, I told you about what was the result of the First World War. Basically, Germany was responsible for the First World War. The following were the major result of the First World War: the Treaty of Versailles, June 28, 1919. The victorious powers or the Allies met in a conference first in the Versailles, a suburb of Paris, and later in the Paris between January and June 1919. Now the number of countries represented at the conference was 27. The terms of peace and treaties were really decided by the Woodrow Wilson, President of United States, and Lloyd George, Prime Minister of Britain, and George Clemenceau, the Prime Minister of France. Now, the defeated country were not represented at the conference. The victorious powers also excluded Russia from the conference. Basically, as a result of the discussion as the Paris Conference on June 28, 1919, the Treaty of Versailles was signed. It ended the war. The basis of treaty negotiation was the American President Wilson 14 points. The treaty was designed to prevent Germany from going to war again. So that means only the powerful nation blame on the German. That German was responsible for the First World War. Now here the result of the treaty. The main terms of the Treaty of Versailles were: the treaty declared German as guilty of aggression. Germany was required to pay a loss of damages suffered by allies during the war. The amount of representation at $33 billion German paid to the allies. Now, the area of Rhine Valley was demilitarized and German territories West Rhine was occupied by the Allied troops for 15 years. German lost Alex and Lorraine to the France, European at Malmedy to Belgium, and Schleswig to the Denmark, and Danzig and the territories. Now German ceded parts of her pre-war territories like Denmark, Belgium, Poland, Czechoslovakia, and France. So now the German which are capturing by the state German, they have to be refused now, and these countries become the independent. The coal mines in the German are called Saar were ceded to France for 15 years, and area was to governed by the League of Nations. German lost her colonies, victorious allies Britain, Belgium, South Africa, and the Portugal. Here some of the states which are captured by the Germany. Now you have to be seen part of the Polish corridor and the Poland. So these are the capturing by the Germany, but now it are written to the it is written by the Germany, Czechoslovakia, Hungary, and Yugoslavia, and some other parts. Now German colonies in Pacific and the areas under the control in China were given to Japan, and China was allying with the allies during the war, but her areas under the German control were given away to Japan. German armies was restricted for force of 1 lakh soldiers, and navy was limited 15,000 men and 24 ships. The air force and submarine were banned. Now the treaty affirmed the complete independence of Belgium, Poland, Czechoslovakia, and Yugoslavia. The Covenant of the League of Nations was added to the Treaty of Versailles. So these are the restrictions on the Germany, that Germany is responsible for the First World War. Now you have to be seen, we do not go with the territorial rearrangement and the formation of the League of Nations. Now aims of and objective of League of Nations, it is not in your course. So basically beta, please learn the causes of the First World War and what are the responsible countries for the First World War.